What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Cooking with Kennelly. It's another video. Today we are going to show you how to cook the best burger in the world. Like, it's by far, it'll beat everything. But here we go. So first things first, you need the biggest pan you can possibly get. The biggest one, just the biggest one. And then what you need to do is set it down on your favorite stove pot. That's my favorite one. The left corner. Now we just need to get the ingredients. Well, you need the burgers. All right. We could use some spinach. We could use some cheese. A little more cheese. Might as well use some tomatoes. I don't like tomatoes, but we can use those. Don't forget your buns. A little bit of onions. We also need some mayo. That's it. All right, so now that we have all of our ingredients, we have our spinach, our cheese, we have our frozen patty right here. We have our mayonnaise, our bread. We have everything. Now we just gotta go ahead and start cooking. We make sure our stove is preheat, so we have to make sure that thing is lit on high. I was told cooking frozen patties is a bad thing, but you know what? It's all good. Now we need to get a cover. That way when we start putting some fire into it, we don't burn the house down. We can't forget about the seasoning either. We can't forget about that. So I'm gonna go up here. You gotta find your seasons and stuff like that, some crazy stuff. And then we got our salt and pepper too. We're gonna use that in a minute, you know. How you choose the perfect seasoning? Good question. First thing you're gonna do, you're just gonna close your eyes and start picking stuff out. So now that we have our 4 random seasonings, we have oregano leaves, we have some Southwest chipotle, and some roasted garlic and herb, and then we have some ground cumin. So yeah, this is gonna be a very spicy burger today. So first step to seasoning is you wanna go ahead and throw some salt in there. Okay. You have to put it enough to where you can see it all, and then same for pepper. We just gotta put all that pepper in there. There we go. All right, good enough. And now we're just gonna let it cook for a little bit until it starts blackening on that side. Don't forget to put your cover on there or else you'll burn the house down, because we ain't trying to do that today because I don't have that kind of money. And while that cooks, what you wanna do is grab your favorite snack and eat that while we're waiting for that one side to cook. So I have some of these crackers I'm gonna enjoy a little bit and just wait till it cooks. Now that your burger has been cooking for a good 30 minutes, what we wanna do is throw some random spices in there really quick. So what we wanna do, open it up, put some of that oregano in there, some of that garlic up in there. That's good enough. What is this called? Oh, it's good. Never tried that in a burger before, but we're just gonna put that on the burger. Not very big of spices, but you know what they say in Mexico, Olé! Alright, now that you kind of forgot about your burger that you were cooking and you come back to it and you kind of burnt it a little bit, you add just a little bit more seasoning and we'll go ahead and get started. Some more roasted garlic and herbs. You can never have enough seasoning. Some more ground cumin. Don't know what this tastes like, but it sounds good. And we'll get on the spices. And with some more oregano. Get it sizzling. You make sure you're doing a good job. Yeah. Awesome. We're gonna let that cook for a little bit, like about 3 hours or so, and then we'll come back to it, and it should be good and ready. Go ahead and eat the fries that you already had. So while you that's cooking, we're gonna go ahead and get this started. So what we want to do is go in here and just grab some lettuce, and we're just gonna pull it out, or some spinach. We're just gonna eat that in a little bit. You like spinach? Guess not. All right, a little more. Cool. Now let's pull some cheese out. We're gonna use some cheese really quick. Just gonna pull some cheese out. There we go. Pull that over there. And then we're gonna pull some of these onions out. All right, we're gonna use the whole onion because we're not Mama doesn't raise nothing but a band. We're gonna use the whole onion, the whole thing. And then we're just gonna wait for this to cook a little bit, and we're just gonna throw it all in there. So now it's kind of steaming. The burger's doing good. Oh Jesus! Oh my! Oh, oof! Oh, turn that off real quick. This stuff. We're doing good. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. The seasonings will do better. We're doing good, it's okay. Fire alarms haven't gone off yet, so we're still doing good. It smells good. We'll just kind of we'll leave the cap on for right now so we don't burn anything. Let's add our spinach and cheese to it now. So now that we have our spinach and cheese, what we want to do is just drop it in there. It'll be okay. And then we'll do the same for the onions. We'll just drop it in there. And then the bread. Ooh, the tomatoes. Can't forget about the tomatoes. We'll just toss it in there. And then the bread, we'll just toss it in there too. And it should be looking good right now. We'll just go ahead and we'll throw the cap back on there. That way nothing else burns. We'll let that sit for about 3 hours at 375 degrees and then we'll come back to it. I need to make this to go, so what we gotta do is say the magic words and give it a big rub like the that's kind of hot. Jesus. We gotta give it the rub and like the genie. Stay still. Abracadabra, let's go to go. Yeah, yeah. And you should be good. Alright, so it's been about 3 hours now. It should be good and ready. Remember, we said the to-go word, so it should be wrapped up in to-go. But let's just see how this worked, alright? Alrighty, here we go. Best burger in the world, you ready? Oh my, it worked! No! Hey, look at that! That's about as far as I can do it. But that's how you do it. That's how you make the world's best burger right there. Yeah. Yeah. That's how it's done. Now you just enjoy it. That's it. Ooh. It's a little blackened from the seasoning, but you know it's okay. Let's just see how this turned out. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. It's got like lettuce and spinach. It's got the mayo, the onions. The cheese should be in there somewhere, I think. The cheese. Look at that. But that's it. That's how we cook the world's best burger with Cooking with Kennelly. Appreciate y'all for watching. If you haven't already, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. And if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Doesn't take too long. If you want to know what we should cook next, just comment down below and we'll cook it. Appreciate it, but we'll see you later.